We're here today in the heart of Wigan town centre on the Wigan Galleries regeneration site. Rhodar are undertaking the demolition and associated works package on this 41,000 metre square footprint site. We started our works in September 2022 and we're now midway through our 18-month demolition programme.
The Galleries is an 8-acre site situated in the heart of Wigan town centre. It was purchased by Wigan Council in 2018 as a strategic investment opportunity. It is Wigan's flagship regeneration project in terms of scale and ambition.
Formerly, the Galleries site consisted of shopping areas, market hall areas and a large multi-storey car park. The buildings were built at different times and employed a whole range of different construction methods, so the demolition techniques that we're using are also wide and varied, from mechanical to hand demolition techniques.
We are demolishing most of the buildings as these are complicated structures which don't lend themselves to repurposing. The purpose of the redevelopment is to revitalise the wider town centre through the investment and improvement in a new mix of uses. The development will comprise of a range of residential, leisure, retail and commercial uses, as well as a new landscaped public square for events and performances.
Our works will be completed over a 6-phase programme. Phase 1, the Market Gate Shopping Centre. Phase 2, a cut-through of a linking section. Phase 3, the Galleries Shopping Centre and car park. Phase 4, the Main Street retail units. Phase 5, the former supermarkets. And Phase 6, the indoor market and clock tower. A site of this scale needs a large team, and we have up to 50 operatives working on this phase of the demolition.
So on this site we're operating various types of machines, excavators, dumpers, brocks, the bigger machines from 170 tonne down to 3.5 tonne machines. So currently behind me you can see the Wigan 950 doing mechanical demolition of the former Galleries shopping centre, using different types of attachments, pulverisers, crackers, breakers. We also have smaller machines with breakers breaking out structural beams. We bring in diamond saw cutters to flush cut between this building and the one where the iReach is working. We've actually installed a protective tunnel for the public to access from Market Street into the Makinson Arcade.
As demolition contractor, Rhodar have worked creatively and flexibly to deal with constraints across what is a very complicated site. The site is heavily constrained by operational businesses on all sides, highways, and Rhodar have been fantastic in working with those constraints to deliver the project as efficiently and effectively as possible.
We have various challenges on site working adjacent to Grade 2 listed buildings, the arcade. The lads have to go up doing a hand demolition using small lightweight breakers, accessing it by mupes and pulling the walls into the building rather than damaging the existing structures.
We've been actively engaging with the local community here in Wigan, aiming to have a positive impact on the community in which we're working. We've supported local church groups, charities and youth organisations, as well as offering local employment opportunities for both site and office-based staff. We also have 2 of our youngest employees on this site currently undertaking the demolition apprenticeship scheme.
The development process is really important in allowing us to capture the embodied carbon of the old buildings, and this is being achieved through the reuse and recycling of material on site. For example, crushed material is being used to bring up the levels on the site to create a development platform for all the new buildings coming forward. The demolition also unlocks the opportunity for a low-carbon district heat network to be installed in the ground.
On a project like this, sustainability is really important, and we're aiming to reuse or recycle a really high percentage of material. For example, we've reclaimed 10,000 roof slates for reuse, reclaimed 1,000 tonnes of mixed metals, 60,000 tonnes of brick and concrete hardcore for reuse on and off-site, as well as recycling timber, plasterboard and waste oils. As sections of this project are completed, parts of site will be handed back to the client for them to start the construction phase of the regeneration. We look forward to seeing the exciting vision for this project being realised over the coming months and years.